the searching in the dark, all the hide and seek we play, will we ever find the spark? Will we ever find the spark? As you stretch out your arms, as you pick up your head, as she sounds your alarm, get up, it's morning. Wake up, wake up. Don't you know it's going to break? Wake up, wake up. Don't you let her get away. I saw the look on her face, I watched her drive away. I don't care what she did, she made me better. Wake up, wake up. Don't you know it's going to break? Wake up, wake up. Don't you let her get away. And why do I believe that I still don't need anyone? Cause I keep falling deeper into your arms, and I feel so weak. And will you wait for me to break? Can you lose yourself again? 'Cause I've been down so deep, I couldn't hear you speak, I couldn't breathe or sleep, couldn't find you holding me. Wake up, wake up. Don't you know it's going to break? Wake up, wake up. Don't you let her get away.
A gentle kiss, a subtle twist, and she became everything to me. My favorite smile, we sat a while, and it became clear for all to see. For under these street lights, on an October clear night, she paints the sky. The stars grew dim, she let me in. A ghostly town became so alive. The look of love sent from above, a touch that I was so long deprived of. But under these street lights, on an October clear night. She paints the sky. A kick in her hair, truth meanders the air. Her sun-washed over eyes, lips like a red velvet sky. For under these street lights, on an October clear night, she paints the sky. She paints the sky. She paints the sky.
What if I'm all that you needed? What if you're all that I want? What if our words stop the bleeding? What if my touch could heal scars? Would you throw me a lifeline? Or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Waiting for a lifeline. Oh. What if there's no other answers? What if it comes down to us? What if we just took our chances? What if our time doesn't come? Would you throw me a lifeline? Or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Waiting for a lifeline. Oh, lifeline. All of the others are closing their shutters and hiding away from the crowds. And all of the hunters are chasing their wonders, and I'm only lost in the clouds. Would you throw me a lifeline? Or write your name in the moonlight? Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Throw me a lifeline. Or write your name in the moonlight. Walk side by side through the land mines, but don't let me run out of time. Waiting for a lifeline. Oh, waiting for a lifeline.